was absolutely ridiculous.
Nuts.
Yeah, that was insane.
Oh, good morning, New York City. Day vlog number 2. Good morning. You're up before me.
Need to get my energy flowing. I need some daylight. That's what I need. I need some daylight. Oh, that's a lot better. Well, good morning. What are we doing today?
Everything.
We're literally doing everything today. So the 2 biggest things that we're doing today, I think we're going to see the Statue of Liberty, and we're also going to ride on a helicopter around New York City. I've personally never ridden on a helicopter, nor have I ridden on one in New York City. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Are you excited for today?
Yeah. Are you excited for today?
You don't seem too excited.
You don't seem too excited.
I just woke up. Need some food. Need some food. Here is your morning flour for getting ready. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are those?
These are my slippers. The hotel gave them to me. What? You don't like them? Here, do you want one?
Just one?
Yeah, just here, try them. They're really comfy. Give me your foot. There you go. Look, your toenails even match. Even match them.
I don't like it.
There you go.
I don't like
Look
it.
at them. What? What's wrong with it? What's wrong
Get out
with
of
it?
here. I don't like it. You look like a grandpa right now.
Shoes on, teeth brushed. We're ready to go. Oh wait, I need the camera. You guys gotta come with me, right? Got some breakfast.
We're staying outside because there's literally 0 seats inside.
Yeah, there's not a single seat open inside Starbucks. So this is our view for breakfast. So yeah, and then we're probably gonna catch a cab or something and head over to the Statue of Liberty. Currently waiting to board the vessel.
Everybody move all the way down and spread out. No single line.
Yeah.
Spread out. Big walkway. Right side, left side.
You heard him. That's the ship we're boarding, and there she is right there. Kind of far away, but...
You want to swim there?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Have boarded the vessel. And we're waiting to depart from the dock, and then we'll be on our way. Oh, yeah. Nailed it. Just walked off the boat and we're walking up to the Statue of Liberty.
Yes, we are. She's a little dirty, but that's okay. She's a little old too, so it's fine.
That's pretty cool.
Wow!
Amazing.
Wow.
Absolutely amazing.
Let's just take a quick pic.
Take a quick pic. I don't even know if I can see the screen because it's so bright outside. Liberty's pretty cool, but look at that bird.
He's grooming himself. You're intruding on his privacy.
Kind of looks like you. Does this fit my style?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Life jackets are stored in overhead racks on the first and second decks.
I'm headed up to lunch and then after lunch was super good. We have about 2 hours till we are going to be on a helicopter over New York City. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So,
I need to walk off some of that sushi. I'm so full.
yeah, we're going to go shopping for now, so. 2 minutes.
Almost.
2 minutes before they departed.
Yes.
Look at you. Oh. Swag. Is that the new,
Gucci belt.
oh, the new Gucci belt? Oh, yeah. That was absolutely ridiculous.
Nuts.
Yeah, that was insane. Found a little snack machine. If you guys could have one of these snacks right now, what would you get? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna go for the chocolate chip cookies.
I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Kit Kat.
The Kit Kat?
Kit Kat.
You do look like a Kit Kat kind of girl. Nice.
Vending machine is very aggressive.
Did you guys know? Sorry, talking with my mouth
That
open.
more people get injured by vending machines.
Well, yeah, but whatever. What were you gonna say? What were you gonna say?
You told.
We probably
Yeah,
had the different.
I think we're saying you go
Wait.
ahead. I don't know.
We probably
I
had the different fact. I don't know. Did you know that it's more likely for a vending machine to kill you than a shark is? It's actually a fact. Look it up.
Look it up.
But these waves over here are going insane. Like, come here. Look at this. Look at these waves. You think you could surf on these?
Oh yeah,
Oh my gosh.
for sure. There's probably some sharks lurking around in here too.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm over here getting injured by a vending machine instead.
We have made it back to the.
There goes the card.
Oh, the card just flew over there. Nice, nice, nice.
Nothing like some good old leftovers.
These were from last night, and we kept the do not disturb thing on the door, so.
Yeah, I forgot to put the clean our room sign on, so.
Yeah, so that's our food.
Oh, and
Oh yeah, we also broke a plate.
yeah.
So that happened. So Kayla was like trying to put her
So,
plate
okay, here's
on there, and
here's the
she
deal.
didn't see one of these little
Here's
plates.
the deal.
Okay,
This was, let me show you. So,
Okay.
so this was me, right? I was just chilling, watching some TV. I was like, and like the little thing was sitting right here, and I was like, I don't want to get up. So I just kind of like pushed my plate on there, and I didn't see there was another plate.
And that's the
And
result.
I literally,
That's the result.
I took this plate, put it on, and I shoved these plates off onto the floor. So hopefully they don't charge us for that.
Yeah, hopefully they don't. But guys, that is actually going to wrap up the New York vlogs. So
Well,
tomorrow
we
we
can go home.
fly out. We're back in Houston. I'm super excited because I am actually taking delivery of a brand new car. If you guys follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you might know because you might see it on there. But yeah, so that's probably gonna be the next vlog on the channel. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight, honestly. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have enjoyed these New York traveling type vlogs, let me know by leaving a like. And when me and Kayla travel, because we travel quite a bit, but I don't vlog all the time when we we travel. But if you guys want to see more traveling type vlogs, let me know by leaving a like on this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Kayla, are you taking a poo?
I'm not taking a
Oh, okay. I need to take a poo right after I wrap this out. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Adios.
Have a safe, fantastic rest of your day. We will catch you guys not tomorrow, but the next day in a brand new vlog.